Hello friend, welcome to Marine Engineering Hub. Today I am going to talk about air starting valve. As you know that first let's talk about what is the material of air starting valve. The air starting valve is mainly made up of the body of air starting valve is made of mild steel, and the spindle which is used in the air starting valve is of high tensile steel, and the valve which is been used in the air starting valve is of stellite hardened tensile steel. Because why it is stellite coating is provided? Stellite coating is provided so that the surface is remain hardened, and as it is subjected to high temperature, so it should be wear resistance. Therefore stellite coating is been used. Now let me explain you how the air starting valve works. This is the cylinder air starting valve. This is the operating piston. Okay, this is the spring, this is the balance piston, and this is the valve lid or valve surface, valve seat. Now as you can see, this is the circumferential port from which the air from master air starting valve will admit, and as the air will get admitted, it will act on the top part of the balance piston as well as on the bottom part of the balance piston. While it acts as the surface area of balance piston and the valve surface is same, it will balanced out, and therefore it will not cause the valve to open because system is balanced. Now as you can see, here is the admission of pilot air. Okay, and this is the operating piston. Now when the respective distributor unit is activated, at that time the pilot air will come and will act on the top part of the operating piston. The pilot air which will come is of also 30 bar, which will act on the top part of the piston. As the system is balanced in this condition right now, here the system is balanced, therefore it will not open. But as the 30 bar air will act on top part, the system will get unbalanced, and therefore the valve will move downward and it will open, and the air will come out from here and will enter into the cylinder unit. Okay, now as soon as the air means as the cylinder air starting has been activated and the system is finished, after that what will happen, the pilot air will be stopped. At that time the remaining air on top part will be vented out from here. It leak out and it will be vented out from here. As it will leak out and vent out from here, the spring will bring back the valve to close position. Okay, so this is how an air starting valve work. So same thing I have written here. The master air starting air enter at about 30 bar from the port. Air pressure will not open the valve because spring is holding the valve shut. Okay, the air pressure will not open the valve because it is making the system balance as well as providing a positive closing. The spring is also providing additional help for positive closing. What is a balance piston? A balance piston, the area of balance piston and the valve seat is equal area. The balance piston and the valve seat area is equal, therefore it will balanced out and therefore it will not open. Now this is how in actual the air starting valve of MAN BMW work look like. This is the admission port, this is the spring, this is the area of operating piston, and this is the port from which the pilot air will come and will act on top part, and this is the balance piston, and this is the valve seat with stellite coating. Okay, so what I have told you I have explained here. As you can see, when air distributor of respective unit is activated, 30 bar air enter the top part of the operating piston, which will overcome the spring force and will make the balance piston system unbalanced, and air will enter the cylinder unit. Okay, the same thing I have told you here, that the pilot air will be acting on top and it will cause the balance system to become unbalanced, as 30 bar air will be acting up downward, and the 30 bar air will make the system unbalanced compared to 30 bar acting on upward, and therefore the whole system valve will move downward against the spring and will open. Okay, the air start valve will be closed with the help of the spring force after the air acting on operating piston is removed. Okay, after the engine starting sequence is finished, air will be vented out from the hole in the air manifold, as you can see here, this vent, the remaining air in the pilot air will be leaked out from here and will be vented through this. Okay, now let's see, this is mainly a basic function. This is how the MAN BMW air starting valve work. Now let's see how the Sulzer air starting valve work. Okay, this is the Sulzer air starting valve system. Actually, the air is coming from starting air manifold. As you can see, the air is coming from starting air manifold and it's coming and it's acting on here. This is also balanced piston condition provided, and therefore system is balanced and will not open. A part of air tapping has been taken and is going to a pneumatic control valve. This is the change which has been provided in the Sulzer. Basically, in Sulzer, the whole opening and closing of the air starting valve is pneumatically operated. What does it mean? Means air is helping to open the valve as well as air is helping to close the valve. Okay, now the question asks why, means why the Sulzer has provided such thing. Basically, the Sulzer is providing such thing so that to maintain the positive closing and opening of air starting valve, Sulzer manufacturer uses air for both closing and opening operation of air starting valve. Okay, what does it mean? It means that Sulzer is ensuring that in any condition the valve should be closed as soon as the starting sequence is finishes. Okay, because suppose it will prevent the air starting valve to open when the cylinder pressure is higher than compared to the air starting valve pressure. Means 30 bar pressure is here acting in downward direction. If suppose the cylinder pressure is 80 to 90 bar, this valve will not open because it is positively closed by the pneumatic control valve. Okay, let me tell you how this is happening. Suppose the air 30 bar is coming here, it acting upward and downward. As I have told you in the balance piston earlier, same thing is acting. Now after that, a part of tapping has been taken and this is called, right now as you can see, a part of air is going through here and it is acting on upward direction. Okay, so the system is in closed position and the top part is been vented out. This is vented out. Now in second slide, as you can see, that this system, when the signal is been coming from the air distributor unit, the port is changed. As the port is changed, at that time the air is acting on the top part and the bottom part is venting out. So as the air is acting on the top part, it will push the valve to open, and as the valve is open, it will be a 30 bar air from the starting manifold will be admitted. Okay, so this is how Sulzer air starting valve work. I hope that you like my video. Please do like and subscribe and please share, and I am requesting all the marine field guys so that all of you can subscribe and share, because please promote my video so that I get encouragement. And if you have any doubt and anything you want to make, me to make, please tell me, I will make. Thank you.